So here is a quick unboxing of the Clark's Orson Bay shoes that I bought from Amazon for 40 pounds. Sorry about this. The shoes are listed well over at about 75 or 80 pounds. Apologies for this again. This is probably one of the worst unboxings that I ever done. Okay, coming back to the shoe. So okay, finally got the shoes out. So as you can see, the box is in nice condition. This is the size Orson Bay UK size 9. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, now here I bought these from Amazon UK. So the seller was not a third party seller, but Amazon themselves, Amazon UK themselves. So here are the shoes. Yeah, pretty lightweight, and the usual immaculate build quality that you can expect from a brand like Clark's. These are nubuck leather. I'm not sure if it is evident from the video. Let me go ahead and check where these are made in. Okay, that's nice. These are made in Vietnam. So that's one of the best good signs, I would say. Okay, that's about it, guys. Sorry for the shoddy unboxing this time. I'll try to be more prepared next time. But that's about it, guys. Goodbye for now.